I wasted weeks building a complicated WhatsApp AI sales agent when the simple workflow worked in just a few hours. And that's the same mistake that many business owners are doing, over complicating workflows, wasting time, and losing clients. It happened to me and I overcame it. And so in this video, I'm going to show you how to completely avoid falling into going down that rabbit hole. If you're new to the channel, my name is Koma. I run an AI sales automation agency. We build out AI sales systems for businesses just like yours to bring them more qualified clients, more qualified prospects, and to grow and scale their sales and revenue within 30 to 45 days. What was the problem? When I was building out this AI sales agent, it was specifically for WhatsApp, although it could be for any other platform. I used a business service provider. If you want to know what business service providers are, the official WhatsApp business service providers, and I've mentioned them in a previous video. You could check my video on that. I'll put a link in the description below. I used a business service provider. I built it out on N8N, okay, and then I ended up using too many nodes, and it made it overcomplicated, and it just broke up. This WhatsApp AI sales agent was for us specifically. Okay, that was the first agent we built, and it was for our AI agency to help us get more clients. Okay, we're going to run ads into it and all of that. But the nodes were firing off too many errors, and I would fix this error, another error would come up, and just kept on wasting from one week on to the other. Wasted time, no clients, which was what we were building it for. But when it occurred to me to simplify this workflow, okay, the nodes in N8N, the structure and everything just worked seamless. And so simple workflows actually create reliable results, okay? Business owners don't need, like you, because I'm a business owner too, right? We don't need complicated systems. When something is complicated, that means it's fragile. Complexity equals fragility. And at any point in time, if you're using something like N8N to build out, or even other AI automation tools out there, you'll see that when it's too complex, it can break at any point in time. It can throw up different errors and thereby wasting your time, wasting your money, and not giving you results. Meanwhile, a simple workflow that just has 5 points or 8 or 10, which 10 is enough, but enough in my own estimation, can give you the results that you want to bring you qualified prospects and clients, specifically high value clients that will, that will go ahead and do business with you. And that's what any business owner wants at the end of the day, right? That's what I want. Simple AI sales system. They save you time, they save you money, they are faster to build, they're easier to scale, they work faster without, having too many complications around the way. If you're a business owner, remember you need a reliable lead generation system. So you need to be able to attract potential buyers through your AI sales system and capture their interest, qualify them, okay, to remove the time wasters, and then book appointments with the serious ones that are ready to buy. And to do all of that, you need a reliable system that works all the time, not a monster, complicated one that works only sometimes. When you meet an AI automation specialist and they design a complicated system for you and you're wowed, remember that that system could throw off errors because it has a lot of complication. The AI developer needs to go back and keep on fixing it. Remember, even if it starts working, you'll need routine maintenance. They'll keep on fixing errors as you go along. And lost time is lost money, because when the system is supposed to be running, apps are running to it, and it's supposed to be engaging with clients conversationally, just like a real human would, it's breaking, and then you're losing money, you're losing sales, you're losing clients, you're losing revenue. Just doesn't make any sense. You just need a simple, reliable system that just works and brings in clients for your business. At the end, all you're interested in is increasing your sales by about 200-300%, as the case may be. I always like to make these analogies like building a sales team, right? You have a sales team, you have 10 sales reps. Would you want to have 10 sales reps who keep on making mistakes and who don't bring results? Or you just want one sales rep, 1 to 2 maximum, okay, who deliver results every time? Your guess is as good as mine. The same is true with AI sales systems. The easier and simpler they are, the faster they will get you results and get you that money. I've built out the sales systems, okay, these AI sales systems multiple times, and I've made these mistakes in the past, but now I help business owners avoid this mistake so that whenever anybody is building with our agency, whenever we are setting up an AI sales system for any business owner, we save them weeks of wasted effort, save them also thousands in lost sales. So if you're a business owner and you want an AI sales system that will automate your sales, that will generate leads constantly for your business, because remember, sales is the lifeblood of any business, that will follow up on those leads, that will engage them and nurture them, okay, qualify them for you, and then book appointments right into your calendar. Just reach out. I'll help you set it up the simple way, the right way, and the effective way. As a business owner, have you ever overcomplicated a project or system in your business and then only to realize later on that the simpler one worked? If you have, please share your experience just like I did in the comment section below. We'll be happy and glad to hear from you. So remember that at the end of it all a business owner wants is cash flow, and that's what an AI system, sales system guarantees. It gives you reliable cash flow, constant cash flow, okay, on autopilot, without you leaving your business to go and chase after leads or chase after prospects. You just focus on service delivery, on running your business and delivering the best service possible to your clients at the end of the day. And then we focus on getting you those clients so that you have a steady cash flow and you can scale and grow your business consistently. So until I come your way next time, be great right where you are. Please don't forget to like this video and to subscribe if you've gotten any value at all from it. Keep doing great things with God's help, of course, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.